Ross came through with the Hellcat truck. I think this is called the Hellcat truck. This is called the Hellcat truck, right?
Yeah. My bad,
Ross with the carbon fiber and the Hellcat truck. Look, Trackhawk Ross. Oh, Ross, man. This is a nice ass truck, brother. You got the red down there. Ross was like, I just got my shit detailed since you don't gotta worry about shit. Clean as fuck in here.
Should I launch it?
You want? Just wait for the kid to move out the way. Just wait for the kid to move out the way. How'd that make you feel, Ross, to shoot the whole neighborhood?
Good.
How'd that make you feel we just shot the neighborhood up?
I ain't gonna cap, right? Get
This
me out
shit.
of here.